Hey everybody, Josh here with Carl's Mower and Saw. Super excited today to bring you a video from our new location that we're building out right now. We're excited. We're going to be moving into this building hopefully in the next 3 to 4 months. We'll see how smoothly construction goes. It's going to give us way more space to work on products in our shop. Our shop size is getting a lot larger. Our parts room space is getting larger. Our showroom space is getting larger. We're bringing our employees a break room. They haven't had that. We've been working in tight quarters for a long time, and it's worked out very well for us. And I thought, I want to unveil, or I want to talk about a product today that might be useful right now because we're in the middle of a construction mess. So how am I going to clean up that construction mess? How about with the pressure washer? So check it out. Here with me today, the Stihl RB600 pressure washer. This is not a new unit. It's been on the market for several years. And when they first came out with the Stihl pressure wash, I was like, it's fine. I got my other pressure washers. I really don't need to look at these Stihl pressure washers. But let me tell you, as we've sold them over the years, I've become more and more and more impressed with how they work, the support, the ease of use to the customer, and a lot of things. So let's point out really quickly today some of the things that might make the RB600 a great pressure washer for your application. This is not a cheap pressure washer, okay? This is not one of those machines you're going to walk into a box store and pay less than $500 more. This is a pressure washer that's in the $1,000 range. And there's for several reasons. The biggest reason is it does have a commercial grade pump. A pump that's made for long life and long runtime hours. Most of our cheap, low quality, consumer grade, throwaway, disposable pressure washers are really only meant to run for a couple hours and then sit and rest. And most homeowners are only going to put 10 hours or so on those machines a year. So this is made to be able to run a long day, to work hard and not ruin this pump and then get years and years and years of use. So a commercial grade pump, it's putting out 3,200 PSI and 3 gallons per minute. Both of those numbers are important. Yeah, right? We need the punch. We need that PSI. We need that cut through cleaning power. But we also need the volume of water so that we can move the debris away. This place is getting dirty. We've had, machines in here moving metal around, and so the floor is all dirty. So I suspect I'm going to want to get in here with a pressure washer and clean it out, and this would be a good one to think about. So a commercial pump coupled with a commercial grade overhead valve engine. It's branded Stihl, but it's a Kohler engine made for Stihl. One of the coolest things about the Stihl pressure washers is that all of the parts and warranty support come from Stihl. And that's not the case with most pressure washers. Most of the time, your local dealer, have to go to the engine manufacturer, Honda, Kohler, Briggs, whatever, to get engine parts or warranty or technical support. And then I have to go to the pump manufacturer, whether it's Comet or Cat or General or AR or any other number of pumps, to get pump parts. And then another supplier maybe to get hoses and fittings and all that stuff. So this is all through Stihl, which honestly, Stihl does customer support better than anybody else. And that's why Carl's Mower and Saw as a dealership really loves to work and partner with Stihl. It allows us to take care of you, our customers, so much better. So we've got a commercial grade engine, branded Stihl, supported by Stihl, manufactured by Kohler. A commercial pump, remember 3,200 PSI, 3 gallons per minute. Sorry about the background noise. I wanted to be outside and working in this application. I like this gun. It's quick connect. Okay, this is a big thing. I always want to have a quick connect coupler for my hose. So it's quick connect. That allows me to actually add more hose easily. It comes with 40 feet of quick connect hose. I can add another section of 40 feet or 50 feet if I like. So I don't have to move the machine around to get to where I want to go. Maybe I want to wrap around the side of my house. This side handle, pretty slick. When you're doing concrete or doing a wall, it just gives you that extra, and you can switch it to the other side. You see that? Whoop, whoop. Switch it to the other side so I can move hands. And it's a reverse pull trigger, which is more ergonomically comfortable. I'm not pulling the bottom end, I'm pulling the top end, and it just fits my hand better. So I really like this gun. Wand assembly. It's got a really nice holder that it's not going to pop out of. A good hook here sits in a little tray. And look at this full cage frame to protect the generator. Wow, Josh, to protect the pressure washer. It folds up. I can loosen these. It can fold up to take up less space. This engine and pump are ISO mounted, so vibration-wise, it's not shaking all over the place. They've got a nice built-in unloader that makes it an easy pull to start. Large wheels, roll very easily. Again, a substantial frame, large wheels, quick connect hose, quick connect gun, commercial pump, commercial engine. Hey, check it out. If you're in the market to step up your game in a pressure washer, you're sick of messing around with the throwaway stuff, it might be time to look at the Stihl line of pressure washers. Again, this is something that when they came out, I discounted. I thought, I've got other brands. Why am I dealing with this? But I'm becoming more and more of a believer in the Stihl pressure washers. You're going to pay a little premium, but you're going to get a premium product with premium service to go alongside it. So stop by your local dealer. Hey, I hope it's Carl's Mower and Saw if you're in the Pacific Northwest. Otherwise, stop by your local Stihl dealer and check out the full line of pressure washers. Have them walk you through, have them help determine what is the best machine for your application. And again, check it out. Our new dig's coming here soon, summer of 2022, Carl's Mower and Saw. You'll see a lot more videos being shot in here, but Carl's Mower and Saw will be moving into this new facility. Up there, I might even have a corner office. I won't be there much, but I'm kind of excited to actually have an office so that I can get away and do a little work in before we open. And we'll share with you this whole journey. Thanks for joining us today, guys. I look forward to seeing you all soon. Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.